YouTube channel. It's Belinda.
And I'm Jennifer.
And this is the Flower Pot. So today we are trying a bunch of foreign snacks. We have things from like all over. Some of these things are from India, some are from Thailand, Japan. Yeah, we're excited. We went to Sanwa earlier and we picked up these snacks. So we're gonna try them. A lot of these things have filling in them, which I do not like.
I'm excited to see you eat them, honestly.
But we're gonna try. We're gonna just try everything. I don't know. What should we do first?
Alrighty. This is a red dragon fruit chips.
Dragon fruit chips.
I never had dragon fruit before.
Wait, where is this from?
Thailand.
I don't know how I feel about that. Oh.
Oi.
Oh, snap. Wait, this is what they look like. Up close. What? That is so weird. Cheers.
Okay. Come by.
Okay. No. 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 That's a no for me. No.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
No. I don't like that at all.
Do you know what?
Next. Hey! Prawn Crackers.
Crispy and tasty.
This was going to be interesting.
I feel like that one might taste good.
These are from Thailand as well.
Oh, let's rate this.
Oh,
1 to
rate it?
10.
Yeah, that's a 2. It has like
I'm
booty.
gonna give it a negative a 0.
It tastes like
No negative, it's just a 0. I don't like it.
That's not good at all.
That
That smells so bad.
It smells like Koi's food.
No, it really slaps you in the face. So Koi is her pet fish.
Do you want to smell the
It
food?
tastes like fish food. Yeah, bring it to me. Bro,
so bad.
If you guys could smell this, it smells really bad. That's not right. Toasted prawn crackers from Thailand. I'm nervous because this smells really bad. I kind of want you to go first.
No, we have to do it together.
I'm kind of not really feeling this.
No. Not bad.
Why does it smell like that? It tastes like Cheetos, but without the cheese. It's just the O's.
I don't know what it tastes like.
I am so funny.
The smell is so strong. Like I could still smell it.
That's why you turned it towards me?
Lord. Yes. I'll give it a 5.
What is this out of 10? Okay, yeah.
A 5.
5. Yeah. Next. India. These are from India, and these are hide and seek black bourbon cream sandwiches.
So they look like Oreo cookies.
Bourbon. They're really dark.
Like me. Bourbon.
Salt.
It looks like salt, no?
I don't know.
It's salt.
Why is it salt on the cookie?
I don't know.
No, thank you. I don't like you.
Yeah.
No, that's a no for me. That's a 2.
I'll give this a 4. I might eat it later when I'm bored.
Okay, next. Japanese mochi. And there's a lot of different flavors in it, so should be interesting. There's royal red bean mochi, royal peanut mochi, and royal sesame mochi. Red bean is
Red
this one?
bean.
This is the peanut or this is the
Red
peanut?
bean, peanut, sesame.
I don't like the way this smells.
Let me find out. It only has like an actual one red bean in it. That'd
Just
be
one.
interesting.
Blended beans.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
Let's do sesame first.
Yeah, because I don't like sesame.
Mochi. Oh, it's like squishy. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Sesame mochi. What is mochi anyway?
I don't know.
This is it. It's very squishy. Oh, it's black on the inside.
Eat it. Come on, we have to eat it.
Okay.
I need a napkin just in case I don't fancy this. Uno, dos, tres.
You gonna have to tell us how that tastes because I ain't eating it. That's not it for me. First of all, it's black on the inside. I don't know what this tastes like, but I'm not with it. First of all, the texture is absolutely weird. It's so squishy. It's like the inside of a jelly bean.
It doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like you dipped the bread in water for too long.
That's disgusting.
And then you put peanut butter and jelly on it, and now you eating it.
I don't like the texture.
I think this one is peanut butter.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's actual peanut butter.
I'm not chewing it. I'm not gonna chew it. I can't. No. What's your rating so far? Wait, what did you rate the sesame?
This one, I give it a
Zero.
uno.
A 0 for
Yeah,
me.
yeah, a 0. Honestly, it's like the same level as the dragon fruit chip.
Yeah, that was nasty.
0. I give this also
0.
0.
Look how squishy it is.
You know, culture is very interesting.
Right?
Oh no.
Wait, the red bean is like sweet.
Oh no.
No.
So we don't like mochi.
No, we did not. Next, we have Bimbonito.
Let me see.
Bimbonito.
Bimbonito. Nito.
Bimbonito.
They're fat.
Alright, alrighty. I don't know how I feel about this.
The fact I don't like. I don't like. You know what it looks like? A hot dog bread.
Yeah, with chocolate.
And they put chocolate on top.
Like they just drizzle chocolate
Yes.
over it. The chocolate is hard too. It's hard. It's not soft or anything. And there's chocolate inside.
Ready? Un, deux, trois.
Well,
Could you?
no.
It just tastes chocolate. It tastes like chocolate in bread.
No. No, my final answer is no.
Personally,
That is so crazy that the only thing I've liked so far are the prawn crackers.
Yeah, the prawn
and
crackers
they
are
smell
okay.
so bad.
what's next?
Next, pudding.
Lychee pudding.
Malaysia.
Oh.
That's cool. I don't know if this is what it looks like. From Malaysia.
It's just white, honestly.
Oh, I think it comes with spoons. It does.
Oh, that's cute.
That is so cute.
Aww.
So this
This is cute.
It's just white all around. They
Yeah.
come with tiny little spoons, so that's fun. I've never seen pudding look like this because it's not like white. It looks
Yeah.
kind of clear, but I don't know. It looks more like jelly.
Probably Jello, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, this is pudding or Jello? Is it like syrup?
It's like jelly.
Yeah.
Go. This tastes like nail polish. I'm not a fan. How do you feel?
Well, I
don't hate it. It's just like
I don't hate it.
the flavor tastes like
Because if I would have hated it, I would have said no off the bat.
nail polish.
But like, it's just so weird.
Feels like
Yeah,
to
it's
me.
a no for me. What do you rate this?
I give it a 2.
I give it a 3. Next, Tartinas, strawberry filled cookies from Mexico as well.
It's just like a cookie with strawberry filling.
I don't like the way this smells already. You ready?
Cheers.
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 Ah. Ah. Whose idea was that? I'm sorry.
It tastes like Pop-Tart to me.
What?
I'm getting
taste buds are so different.
I'm getting like a hint of lemon.
What? Are we eating that same thing? I'm over it.
Alrighty. Don't throw them away.
Okay, next. Gansito cookie.
Gansito cookie.
Gansito cookie, another thing with filling.
And it's from Mexico as well.
Is it really?
I believe so.
I think you're right.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Thank you.
Gansito. Okay. This looks like what they eat on the ASMR videos I watch. Wait! Cheers.
Cheers.
Blue doesn't like anything. This is not that bad. What do you rate it?
That it was a 0. Yeah, that tastes like butt. Sorry. I don't like it.
I give it a 4. 4.5. It's close to the prawns. The prawn chips.
Okay. Taki, and these are from Thailand. And this
The
is
flavor?
matcha green
Matcha.
tea cream covered biscuit sticks. Oh, you smell
that?
that right off bat. I don't know if it smells good, but are you okay?
You know what? I like green tea. So,
This is not gonna taste like green tea.
it smells like it.
Let's do more at a time. Because one is weird.
It's 2 points at the time. No, I'm doing one.
Let's do like 4.
You got some nerve. You got some nerve.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Hola. Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Set.
Yeah. Mm. 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 What do you think?
I don't like this. I feel like they did too much.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Pass me those prawns though. They just smell bad.
They do smell bad. You gotta move the bag away from your face.
But honestly, this is the only thing I would actually eat.
But when you first taste this, a bit fishy. Man, the smell.
I did not expect to only be able to eat these.
The smell.
Sorry, my bad. I forgot. That's crazy. I didn't like anything. Wow, we just ate booty all day. Sorry. Everything tastes like butt.
Linda. That could be somebody's favorite snack.
I'm so disrespectful.
I'm sorry. We have these drinks. Faluda drink.
Faluda. But this one's Faluda. This one has milk in it, and this one does not have milk. And both of these are from Thailand.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what this is like. Up close and personal.
All right.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like strawberry milk.
Oh, I don't like strawberry milk. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
I think this one's gonna taste better though.
Facts.
Little seed drink. This one smells different than the other one.
This one. Go.
I don't
It's good,
know
ain't
how I
it?
feel about that.
In it.
It's good in it. It kind of tastes like coconut water. Like it has the same vibe of coconut water.
But rose.
and basil seeds.
Comment down below if you have ever tried these snacks and
Yeah.
if you would ever try them, or if you even had these snacks growing up. They probably were your favorite. It's just not ours because we weren't raised on these snacks. So forgive us, and I hope we didn't offend anybody.
And if there are other snacks
yeah.
out there that you guys like, comment them down below and
we'll try
them.
those. I enjoy trying other different.
I enjoyed
culture.
trying it, yeah. I just didn't like it.
But I wasn't a
I
big
wouldn't
fan.
eat it.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't
Yes.
forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a video.
And yeah, we will see you guys on our next one. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Peace.
Bye.